What's up,
And
guys?
like,
Welcome to the podcast.
and
Nico here
like
with Mario and Graham. And guys, sorry. Guys, it's been weeks no since we last did a PBA podcast. Pero alam naman natin, hindi natin kakalimutan yung
Has it
community
been a
natin sa
month?
PBA. Yeah, it's been a month. Di natin kakalimutan sila. So, sakto, just in time, the PBA quarterfinals are set. Tapos, share ko yung screen ko kasi kailangan ko pakita yung schedule sa ating mga fans, no. And guys, ang ganda na ng bagong PBA website, na discuss na namin to before, na
Yeah.
they
yeah,
upgraded it. Inayos talaga nila. And for all the times na we shit on the PBA's website, they did this one good. So, daanan lang natin to. Thursday on December, may Christmas game, and Lex
Christmas
versus
Day game.
SMB. Barangay Ginebra up against Converge Fiber Xers at 7:30. Both in Araneta. Actually, all the games
All
are
in
gonna be in
Araneta.
Araneta. Yes, oh, so maganda. On Saturday, Araneta as well. Rainer Cheyenne, Meralco, Magnolia, and TNT. And let's first discuss the easiest one, no? NLEX versus San Miguel. San Miguel in one. Or actually, knowing how San Miguel works, Mario, they're gonna lose game one and then they're gonna beat NLEX in game two by 30 or
whoa.
25.
Wait a minute.
Hey, hey,
I thought
hey,
right
don't
before
do
this
Bolix
that,
here
episode
man.
started, I heard somebody say,
NLEX in two.
in Lexington too.
Oh, yeah.
What, what
Di nila alam
happened?
yun. I could be
What
lying.
happened?
Di nila alam yun. Oh.
Did I mishear that? Was I the one who misheard that?
But anyway, guys, we missed you. PBA community, we missed you. Puro kami you up, pero kami tatlo, we miss you guys.
Sorry, I'm sick. Dude, SMB in one half.
One half. Why one half? Why one half?
Kasi
So
yung
we're
other
by
half,
Ah,
halftime.
you mean 0.5?
by halftime.
Kala ko 1.5. Okay.
Hindi. By halftime tapos na yan. Unless you know Robert Bolick does his normal I hate SMB shtick, which he does every year.
Which she does.
But
Which she does.
but brother, that's ano. I think this is SMB. I'm sure SMB wins the series, but
They will.
it should be in one game, I'm assuming.
Agree, man.
I wanna see Robert Bolick does his night while defending Jericho Cruz. Gusto ko
Feeling ko
version.
feeling ko gagawin ni Jericho yun sa kanya.
SMB up by 20 tapos si Jericho na titira si Cyrus
He won't
Torres
defend.
na 3.
Hindi na siya magbabantay.
That's so funny. Best one that I've seen in a long while.
Oh, guys, y'all should really check that out. Yung last. I think we're recording.
Night ni
We'll be
Bolick.
posting the episode of Gilas before this or after this, but check it out. We'll talk about yung Gilas, and dude, my favorite part of that whole thing was just Robert Bolick not giving a flying shit about what was happening on that last play. Basta matulog na kayo, sabi ni Robert, man. Okay. That's all it was. But dude, this is very simple. I don't think
Yes.
NLEX doesn't have the people to defend June. NLEX doesn't have the people to defend Junmar Fajardo. That's all you basically need. Everybody, many people on SMB can defend.
Look at that. Updated. Look at that.
Many people on SMB can defend Robert Bolick and Cyrus Torres. It should be a win for SMB quite easily.
Yep, you're right, brother.
Idol
I'm gonna use my favorite word to allow disrespect. No disrespect to NLEX, but you are not on SMB's level. This will be over very quick. Ginebra fans that will be trooping to Araneta, if you want to buy food, do it in the third quarter when San Miguel is up by 37 points. This is not going to be entertaining at all. All right, I'll be there. I'll probably be there. So that's probably my time to buy food as well. But
Yeah,
they
because-
just don't have anything. They just don't have anyone who will defend Junmar. And even if they defend Junmar, San Miguel is just too loaded. They are, the defining team of all Filipino conference of our generation.
Yep.
They're probably they're probably the best team ever. Yung core neto. So, they haven't won a Grand Slam, but that's fine. So yeah, it's quick, man. I don't know what you were even talking about this game. But,
we have to talk
It's-
about all the games.
We
bro.
have to talk about Graham.
Alright.
Formalities lang
Okay.
naman.
Okay. All right.
Next one.
we can
Ito
make the
Ay, ihuli
argument.
na natin to. Ihuli na ba natin to? O next na to?
Yeah,
Ihuli
let's
na natin
do
to.
it last, man. Yeah,
Last
let's
na
do
to,
it
last na to. Next is
Yeah.
Rain or Shine up against Meralco. 5:15 game on Saturday. This is a toss-up. I don't... Kayo ba?
Yeah,
This is a toss-up. This is not
it is a
a...
toss-up. I think ito
Yeah,
yung
it's
Yeah, I don't
interesting.
know. It
ito yung
can happen.
pinaka-patas na matchup sa tingin ko
Yeah. Mm-mm.
sa lahat ng
Yeah.
games. It really depends kung sino yung mainit on that day. If Rain or Shine is hitting yung threes nila, it will go to Rain or Shine. Pero Meralco, to be fair, kasi ang tagal na natin di nakita yung Meralco. The last time we saw them was, actually, we saw them yesterday against SMB. But before that, they had that EASL stint. Kaya medyo nawala sila sa public eye for a bit. So, it's a bit different now when you're watching Meralco. Pero I personally believe this is Rain or Shine series. Um, I believe they have kind of understood a system now where they have they really play 10 to 11 people per game talaga yung Rain
Yeah.
or Shine. That's why I really don't think I think they beat Meralco in this one.
How many games?
Yeah, I think they how many games?
Yeah.
This is a best of three. I think probably in three. I
No,
think
no,
this is
it's
the
twice to
series-
beat, man. Every higher seed is twice to beat.
Who's twice to beat Ross?
Yeah.
No,
Probably
isn't
in three.
Meralco?
Probably
Isn't it
in three.
Meralco? No, Meralco's the twice to be kasi ito.
No,
Kasi
Ross is twice to beat, brother.
Really? Ano
Ross is
klaseng
number two,
pag-ayos
yeah.
to? Kasi tingnan mo to ah.
It's just the uniform,
just-
man.
It's just the uniform. Okay, wait, let me just check.
Yeah, that's true.
3. Yes, sorry, Graham. Yeah, tama ka nga. 3 ang Ross. Here's the schedule.
Tama ka nga,
Yeah.
Grim. That's the first and last time you'll hear that
Oh
today.
no, they're not 3. They're number 2. They're
Two
number
versus-
2.
So, ibig
we just
sabihin na to
praised the
schedule it.
We just praise the website, brother. Like I
We
think they're
just
going
praise
off of
the website.
I think they're going off of the streak, like the
Okay.
winning
They-
streak. Look at
Well, they-
Ginebra and Converge.
I feel
Converge
like the
twice to beat
game
them.
hasn't been. I feel like the standings
Di pa to
haven't been
na-update, no?
updated yet.
Yeah, o nga pala,
it's
Graham. O nga,
updated, man.
8-3.
The
It's
game just
updated.
ended a few hours ago. Give them a break.
I know,
man.
brother. I know, but Ginebra 7-4. Ginebra 7-4 now.
Oh yeah, updated na to,
They're-
Mario.
they're-
8
they're
and
going
it's 11
off-
games
they're
na.
going off of the
Tapos na nga to.
Ginebra is
So it
plus
is
5.
correct. Ross
Converge
is
plus
third,
1.
and Meralco is
No,
sixth.
brother, no.
It's the standings
Ross is
mali.
second.
Okay.
Ross is second. They're going
The-
off the streak. Look at the streak side, the third column.
But look at
It's
the
in him-
standings. Look at the. Well, okay, I see it. I see
Oh
it.
yeah,
I see
oo.
it. Possible. I guess so. I don't. I
Yeah,
don't,
but it's not accurate. Good job, PBA. Right after we praised you, all right.
I'll
But
get
go
my
ahead.
pizza, guys.
You all had one job, man. You know, we've been waiting for so long. But for me, I think Ross takes this series. Personally, I like how Ross is playing this conference. I've watched a lot of their games. Even if what's his name against Ginebra, they threw that game at the end. I just truly believe that they're operating a lot better. So I think Ross in 2 games. I don't think they win it in 1. I think it's 2.
All right, I'll just disregard whatever you said in the end, brother. But this has the tendency to be like the Magnolia TNT series last conference, brother. Yung dalawang dikit na laban.
Yeah.
That could have gone either way.
Yeah. That's
I think it's also.
So who's the Rafi
Go ahead.
Ribes in this scenario?
I don't know. They don't have that kind of player. But I think it's Ross in 2.
Ross in
Uh,
2. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
say
we're
I agree with you.
same page.
um,
Wow. We
Yeah.
did it.
No,
Oh, yeah, we did.
bro, it's not hard to pick the 1 and 2 seed to advance, brother. To be honest with you, but I just think they're because over the last 3 conferences, there's only one team was eliminated, Ross, and that's TNT. And we
Yeah,
have
well,
to
good
see
matchup.
another team. Yeah, we have to see another team be able to do that. Right now,
Yeah.
I think Meralco can be a little bit tired, to be honest with you, playing the EASL,
Yeah.
and then coming back to the PBA. We saw them lost their footing a couple of times. So
They just got
I do
destroyed
expect
by SMB.
SMB. Well, everyone gets destroyed by SMB, brother. To be honest with you.
Ginebra lost by 2.
Yeah, bro, can you stop bringing up Ginebra?
Where are we?
I'm
SMB
oh my
is in a
God,
9
this guy.
No. We're talking about Ross. I said it's gonna be Ross
Okay.
in 2.
You're
There's
Rosin.
only
Mario
one
was
team.
Meralco in 2,
Yeah.
di ba? He said
I'm
Meralco in
Rosin
No,
2.
Marius Ross in 2.
Okay.
Don't divide us, brother.
Yeah, this guy's
I wasn't
trying
Ross
there.
in
to
2.
I wasn't there. I
this guy's
wasn't there.
trying to
No, to be honest, I wasn't there. You guys
yeah,
saw I wasn't
Yeah.
here, so
yeah, but
I'm
you're
just
trying
offered.
to
Yeah,
forge
I
you're
think
trying to forge
the
ground for
Felix is
somebody.
already playing, di ba? Si
Mm.
Felix Limeti Pangilinan is already playing. Then Stanley Pringle is a good addition. So I think they have the
Brother, they
capacity
barely
to.
used Stanley this whole conference.
Bro,
Like,
I know, but come playoff time, there will be one stand demand game for sure. It better be in one of these Meralco games because if you don't have Stan and you get upset, then you don't have any chance to use him next year.
Ako lang ba
So
disappointed kay Andre Karakut's averages this conference?
I know his averages are. I also, by the way, I think those averages are wrong.
Yeah,
Um,
parang I
uh,
doubt na he's averaging for.
I don't think
Regis,
he's
praise
averaging
this website. They're
4.45
gonna get
points.
there sa numbers. Siguro habol pa lang sila dun sa numbers. Pero at least the
I
photos are
don't think
updated.
that's
mm,
right, but it could be. And
Pero kasi
but
tama yung
the
kay
way he's
Noki.
playing this conference is a bit different. I think may injury siya, if I remember it correctly. I think if I
Mm-mm.
heard it correctly, may injury daw siya. So, I'm not that surprised. That's my goat, by the way, Christian Poiter.
Mm-mm.
He was defending Japet Aguilar like it was nobody's business. But dude, this is Ross in 2. I don't think it's
Rosin
Ross in 1.
Tuka.
I think it's Ross in 2 talaga.
bro, my
I'm
only
also.
problem with picking Ross in 2, sorry Nico, is if
Go
they
lang.
lose game 1, yung pressure of trying to close it out in 2 against the champion. I mean, this is a champion team. Tong Meralco Bolts.
I don't
Di
feel like
ba?
Ross feels any pressure kasi.
Okay, all
I
right.
don't feel like they feel pressure. They're just like, yeah, dude, we'll play, we'll do whatever we need to do to win. Pero like, I feel like they know they're not one of the. I feel like they know they're not like a top team. So the fact that whatever they can do to get there, they'll just do it.
I think they believe they're one of the better teams, but I think they
You don't.
believe they
Oh,
can
I'm
hang
sorry.
with SMB. No, I think they believe that. I don't believe that. I think they believe that, brother.
Okay, yeah,
They were one game behind SMB. They were one
yeah,
game behind SMB in the standings.
yeah. I don't hate it.
Ako I'm with Rosin
But
too.
Nico, you're Ross.
Kasi, yeah, I'm Ross also. I want Gabe to reach the finals and have a
Oh, he's
fighting
not doing
chance.
that. He's not doing that. But like,
Pero
okay.
Do you
semis,
know why?
abot siya semis, abot siya
How
semis.
about you say Miss? How about you say
Bro,
Miss?
do you know why Ross is not reaching there?
Oh,
Because look at that game at the bottom. Yun yung kabracket
I know,
mo.
I know, I know, I know, I know. We're gonna discuss that next. Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots up against TNT. And by the way, pasadahin natin tong Magnolia versus what do you call this?
TNT,
sino
kanina
ka
lang.
Yeah,
TNT.
who did
Yeah.
TNT? This was the same.
Yeah.
Parang it's like a virtual, I don't know, extra game lang.
It's a
Magnolia
warm-up game. It's a
TNT.
warm-up game.
LA is really old na, no? Ito just to say the least. LA
Hey,
has
I'm ready. I'm ready. Time to take off the gloves. Here we
I mean,
go.
pumunta lang, I mean, for me, LA, nice to see na he's back, no? To join the playing coach, Jowo style. All respect to LA. Pero guys, kita naman natin na Father Time has caught up. Father Time has
Yeah.
caught up with LA. Of course, a PBA great, pero whenever tira-target siya sa defense, di ba Mario?
Bro, grabe si Heading. Sabi
Nahanap.
ni Heading. Are you real? Ito talaga lalagay niyo sa akin. O sige. I think he had 3 or 4 4-point shots
3, 4
because LA
pointers.
kept going under the screen and he was just like, all right, I'll shoot it. Like if nobody wants to defend me, I'll shoot it. I believe it's because of the injuries to Lastimosa and Paul Lee kasi.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
ganun naman
That's why
talaga.
he's being forced to play. But man, Lastimosa and Paul Lee, you guys need to come back soon. For the games, because my gosh,
So,
Jordan Heading is gonna eat everybody alive. To be fair though, I don't even think Lastimosa or Paul Lee can defend Jordan Heading either.
Jordan.
But I'm sure they can do a bit better than LA talaga.
They
I'm
can
not
make
trying to.
Jordan work on defense.
I'm not trying to I'm not trying to say LA is a bad player, bro. It's just that Father Time has
Wala,
caught up
Father
na
Time.
talaga.
Wala,
Yeah, it's
matanda
happened.
na. Yun lang naman talaga yun.
Exactly.
Brother, a couple of group chats notified me, sending me that LA Tenorio clip na wearing a Magnolia jersey. I just closed my eyes, bro. I don't want to see it. I just don't want to see it. My
Don't
lasting
wanna
memory of
close
LA
your
was Game
eyes.
6 versus SMB. That's it. That's the end of LA Tenorio's career for me. And if you want to do Game 7, go. Right? Although he only played 3 minutes. That's fine. This doesn't count. This is like Michael Jordan in Washington, brother. To be quite honest with you, I don't count
I
this as a
see
part
it.
of his career.
That's
Um,
a good one.
but man, what have I told you all conference long? It's the gift that keeps on giving. The Magnolia Hot Shots. The higher they are, the harder the fall. And where are they right now? At the number 6 seed, about to be home on December 27th, Saturday. This is a one-game affair. We already saw what's coming, man. We already saw what's coming. It's about to get worse. Magnolia is home before the new year. I mean, Ginebra may be home earlier than them, but they are. The streak continues, brother, since 2018. No championships to show for. They are
This
going home
hater, bro.
before the new year.
This
All right,
hater,
getting
bro.
it out. We will be welcoming 2026 without the Magnolia Chicken Templados hot
Oh
shots
my
in
gosh.
the
Oh yeah, this is
PBA
Graham,
Philippine Cup.
Mario. This is the time of the year again where Graham gets roasted in FFB groups.
Bro,
Ah,
because
man,
he's
clip it.
shitting on everybody.
Clip it.
Ano naman tayo?
Clip it. The time is
Welcome back.
The time is 11:08 p.m. on December 21st. The Magnolia Hotshots, after the final buzzer on December 27th, are eliminated from the
Oh
Philippine
my
Cup, a scene that we have seen for the past 7 years.
Alam mo yung
Guys, this is not the view of the podcast.
The Beast, di ba,
Mario,
Graham?
kailan ko na sabihin to?
Gilas all this time.
Mario, kailan ko na sabihin to?
Yes.
The views of Graham is not our views, no? Guys, si Graham lang to. Kami,
Yeah,
ano
sige,
kami?
All right, pick Magnolia. Pick Magnolia.
Yeah.
I didn't say I was picking Magnolia.
Or actually, we're picking TNT. Pero di naman
Okay.
namin sila kakantsawan ng ganun.
Yeah, I'm not saying I'm picking Magnolia.
Hindi ko naman gagawin yung Magnolia,
Okay.
Brad.
Don't
All
you
right.
dare
All
do
right.
that.
Wait. If you are okay, stop me when I'm wrong. Magnolia started well, right?
Oh.
Okay.
They're
Put a finger
falling
down ba
hard.
to?
All right, they're falling hard. They
Okay.
haven't won a championship since 2018.
Oh, easy
Okay.
you're gonna pull that. Oh.
All right,
Okay.
TNT is gonna send them home on Saturday the 27th.
Pwede actually.
I believe TNT, but I think it's in 2.
TNT
Alright,
into
you
ako.
ju- you
No
just
way
I think
yung
it's
wanna-
Magnolia
TNT
might
in 2.
Oh,
punch first and TNT say, nga pala, playoffs na nga pala.
I
Ano-
think it's TNT in 2. I can explain why I believe it's TNT in 2.
because they don't have Rafi Rivas, but go.
Yeah, well, no, that's number
yeah,
1.
actually.
Number 2, I believe kasi yung game kanina ng TNT, ng TNT Magnolia was a very winnable game para for Magnolia. It was Yuki and Andrada's first game for Magnolia kanina. Chris
I
love
Coon
that
guy.
played. Please stop this. Chris Coon played like I think barely any minutes, and they were still trying to figure out sino talaga yung big man rotation nila. I think once we get to the next game on Saturday, on Monday or Wednesday,
Saturday. It's
Saturday.
Saturday the
Saturday,
27th.
27.
I believe they can steal one game. I think Magnolia can steal one game, but in game 2, I think TNT beats them talaga.
Bro, we have to be reminded that Poy Eram is coming back on Saturday probably. He didn't
Oh.
even play today.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I'll be honest, man. I don't worry about TNT's big men. They will always have one. They have Henry Galinato coming off the bench, and I believe Henry Galinato
Exactly.
can be a good number 2.
X Factor,
Not a
Mario,
number
nice
4.
mentioning Galinato. Nice mentioning Henry here. 8 and
Yeah,
6 for Henry.
that's a face card I'll agree on.
Which one? This?
No, Henry
Galinato.
Okay, sorry.
Henry. Shout out though, Kevin Ferrer.
Kevin Ferrer, my idol. Oh, I said Kevin Ferrer's gonna for TNT. He's gonna be of good help. Which he did.
I mean,
which
he's
is.
been okay. He hasn't
Yeah.
been amazing.
I didn't say it was gonna be amazing. I just said it's just another weapon. Yeah.
I mean,
Guys,
I mean,
pizza.
a pencil can be a weapon too. Like,
With the right hands. Sa tamang
yeah,
kamay.
the right. Like, it ain't
Yeah,
that big of a deal,
you're
brother.
not wrong about that. But man, I mean, you just don't want to agree with me, bro. If I didn't give that soliloquy about Magnolia, then you probably would say, oh yeah, TNT would have won in one game. But
No, I was
Yeah, I
always
can-
gonna pick Magnolia. I was always gonna pick
No.
TNT in two. I was always gonna pick TNT.
Yeah, I think you're forgetting na ibang TNT ka nga pala, Graham. I mean, but yeah, TNT's TNT.
because
Even
I
without
mean,
RHA.
yeah, I don't know. My reasoning is based on last conference's matchup where TNT beat them in 2 games. Did TNT get worse? No, di ba? I mean, Magnolia did not even get
Dude,
better.
may I just say, it's so hard to beat TNT. It's so hard to beat TNT kasi ng batak or heading will
Mhm.
always get to the rim. Tapos may oftana ka pa na kupal tumira ng tres, tapos biglang papasok. Pogoy,
Yeah,
pag uminit, goodbye. Tapos
Pogoy.
bigla na lang may Kelly Williams ka na tumitira ng tres na rin. And then BGR is getting every rebound possible. It's so hard to beat TNT with
Sa
or
Game
without
7, Glenn, kubuntin ka pa.
yeah, with or without
RJ.
RHJ. They are such a good team.
Yeah, bro, there are only 2 people who Father Time has a hard time defeating, man. LeBron James and Kelly Williams.
Not true.
Did you si Kelly Williams kanina?
Kelly Williams
That
is never gonna retire, dude. Kelly Williams is never going to retire.
I think he has his own fountain of youth.
Yeah, dude.
Sa
I
bahay
don't
niya,
know.
bro. There's just no.
Whoever Kelly Williams dietitian is deserves a raise because he is not
Yeah.
just in shape.
Man, nasa Moro
but
Lorenzo lang yan.
oh my God,
Fine.
the Moro crew, the Moro crew pa talaga. But yeah, I don't see Magnolia winning the series, but I do see them stealing one game, just one.
All right.
Alright. Yung favorite natin, guys. The 7:30 p.m. game on Christmas Day. Barangay Ginebra up against Converge. Let me give my spiel first, no. Converge in 2.
Before me and Graham go into
Sorry, Converge in 1. Sorry, Converge only needs to win once. Feel ko this is the end for Barangay Ginebra because from the start pa lang, I think when we started this season, recording for this All Filipino Conference, we just said na sa games ng Barangay Ginebra, they're not the same. May kulang. The loss of Jamie Malonzo is evident. It's not the same that we have seen from past conferences.
Malayo.
Malayo nga.
Yeah.
Sadly,
I agree.
di ba? Sadly, from what we were used to.
Sobrang layo, man. What's there to say, dude? This is you will never find it for me to bet against Ginebra. I would never choose against Ginebra. So I will say that I think Ginebra wins in 2. But I don't know if I fully believe what I'm saying right now.
That's
Like,
that's your heart talking lang. That's your
yeah,
heart saying,
that's
"Hindi,
my heart
kaya lang."
talking lang talaga. Kasi, man, Converge, who's defending Balti and Arana? Japet? Adamos?
DA88.
He has to be. He has to be.
Raymond?
Hey,
What are we doing?
Norbert.
Ralph Koo?
Norbert. Are we stretching
Si
it to say
Norbert?
Tanda niya talaga
Norbert
dito.
can contain them?
Norbert can somewhat defend, but against
Japet
Arana,
can try.
no.
Japet can try because he's longer than the guys. I mean, longer than Arana, but Balti's almost the
I
same.
mean, we could also say Troy Rosario can defend Balti. I think Troy has a good chance against Balti also.
You can only
But then,
contain Balti. Contain nun
but then,
talaga.
that's just Balti and ano pa lang.
Arana.
Balti and Arana pa lang. Yun.
Yun
May
nga eh.
Stockton ka pa, may
You're
Winston
forgetting
ka
Mr.
pa.
Triple-Double. One
O,
Hindi
may
GDA.
forgetting
Juan
yun,
Gomez de
guys.
Leaño ka pa na sinasabi ng tao na mali dapat mas mababa pa siya sa second pick. Dapat mas mababa pa raw siya kay Dalf Panupio. Sure. Like, dude, it's so hard to beat this team. I will say Ginebra in 2 because I just can't choose against them. But there's a very real possibility na Converge in 1 to. Kasi, man, the strength of Ginebra has to be its wings, di ba? It has to be their wings. Holt will be going up against Winston, going up against
Stockton.
Stockton, going up against so
GDL
many other
also.
wings. And
Juan.
then you're gonna be forcing Scotty to defend Juan, right?
Mahihirapan talaga. But Scotty, I
any
feel like
scenario.
can contain one, but Juan's still gonna get his numbers.
Yung worry ko here is, in any scenario, if RJ Abarientos is on the court, which of these Converge guards is he gonna defend?
Siguro you're gonna
Ang hirap
put
niya
him.
itago, brother.
Mahirap
Hindi
niya
mo siya
itago.
matatago in this one eh.
Yeah.
Lalagyan mo
Put him
lang
on
kay
Kevin-
Caralipio, but Caralipio has the size over him.
Yeah,
man.
they'll post him up, man.
JL,
Yeah.
si JL De Los Santos, pwede pa kung ipapasok
JL,
si
pwede
JL.
pa niya, pwede pa niya ilaban yun.
Yeah, pero
But they
mahirap
barely
dun,
use
brother.
JL.
Yeah, ang
Yeah,
hirap
it's
dun,
si
bro.
Archie. Most
Kailangan
likely
si
kay Archie
RJ.
siya malilipat.
It's tough.
Archie's
It's tough.
huge. Di ba Archie has
Archie.
2-3 inches over.
Archie's not just huge, but he's athletic.
He's athletic also. Long
Yeah.
wingspan.
That's why it's so hard kasi they're so complete. They're really
Yeah.
complete. Imagine if they had Mikey Williams pa, which
Di parang at this
uh
point, wag na, no? Wag na natin pag-usapan na. Wag na natin pag-usapan si
Bro,
Mikey.
I
imagine
feel
if
like
David Deponso
may
is
mga
here.
times na he's about to come back, then napapanood niya yung episode, then he's like, oh,
Hindi na lang,
sige,
hindi na lang.
Uh,
Wag na lang, wag na lang.
Bro, imagine if David Deponso is playing.
Yeah, he's gonna be playing also.
I mean, um, bro,
He's not playing this conference, but he's gonna be playing next conference. It's gonna be so hard.
that's right. You,
Mhm.
to your RJ point, brother, ang hirap niyang hindi rin naman gamitin because they need him. He's their leading scorer, averaging 16 points.
That's why it's
Diba?
so hard this position now. Kung ikaw yung Ginebra, kasi you need to play Scotty. You need to play Japet. But then, for all three of them, this conference hasn't been the sexiest, right?
I agree.
Japet's injured, Scotty's been having off games, RJ's been hunted on defense. I'm not saying they don't have a chance, pero this is a tough team to beat. This is a guy that people will forget about. Larry Muyang off the bench for Converge is disgusting. Sino yung tatapat kay Larry Muyang off
And
the
bro,
bench for
Vic Manuel, they just
Ginebra?
signed Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel also.
Just got him from
May
Pangasinan.
maibubuga pa yan,
Eh,
Mario.
Yeah.
May maibubuga naman. Hindi ko naman sinabi na
Yeah.
focal point.
Bro, down one, game on the line, give the ball on the post. You want Japet
Oh my-
or Vic Manuel?
Huh?
Parang Japet, kay Japet ko bibigay. Hindi
First
ko
of
bibigay.
all,
I'll give it to
At
Vic
this
Manuel,
point,
man.
at this
at that point,
2025, December
you're telling me
2025.
either Arana or Baltazar won't be on the court for
Nah,
Converge.
I'm saying, man, what if they get kidnapped or something?
If you're gonna make a hypothetical, make it realistic. So none.
Bro. all right. You
got him there. Kuha mo doon si Graham.
Man, it's a Christmas Day game. I understand that, right? Ginebra's only lost, I think, twice in Christmas Day games. One in 2021 against Magnolia, the other one against TNT, probably in 05 or 07. They rarely lose on Christmas Day games. This is a very complete team they're against. Converge should win this game on Christmas Day. All right. I'm not a betting man, okay? Even if I am, it's probably just a little. If I ever venture betting.
Don't start.
Okay, but your money should be safe on Coach, all right? Because they're the better team and they're the higher seed. They defeated the Nebra by 15, where Coach Tim Cone went grandpa mode towards the end game. That one
This one.
exactly, right? Thing, as earlier sa Panda Express, I eaten in Express Day Fortune.
Well,
Ayan.
It's
a
too
fortune
loud.
cookie.
Fortune cookie. Brother,
Is what it says.
that's not my fortune.
In one. Nico, are you hearing us, brother?
Ayun, okay na. Bumalik na. Bumalik na internet ko. Heart over man. May dala siya.
Okay. Bro, I was saying, I got it.
Sabi niya galing siya sa ano. Sabi niya galing yan sa fortune cookie niya.
I got this from a fortune cookie. Sa Panda Express, when you eat in Panda Express, right, they give you a fortune cookie.
So, sa'yo yung special,
Alright,
sa'yo
I
yung
got
one
this
of
from
one.
Fortune cookie.
Nasa lahat ng maliit, sa'yo yung malaki.
Yeah.
Kailan man ako yan? Kanina lang. Kanina lang ako.
Sa fortune cookie. Yeah, I was eating
Gano'n
at
kalaki
Panda
yung
Express.
fortune cookie na kinain mo? Gano'n kalaki yun?
Actually,
I don't even.
dude, galing din ako sa Panda Express kanina.
Oo.
Ang laki din ng fortune cookie ko dun.
Oy, hindi tayo sponsored by the way. Baka
Ito yung akin,
naman.
man. Grabe, oh. Grabe, bro. Ang ganda nun sa akin, man. Ang ganda nun sa akin. Ang ganda. Grabe. Ang galing ng Panda Express. Hindi ko na
How does he know na may friend ako nag-rem?
Grabe. Nabigla ako. Ang laki ng fortune cookie na yun.
Yung bang Panda Express na yun, malapit sa practice ng Magnolia Hotshots, man. It's like it's filled with a lot of hate.
Grabe yung factory ng Panda Express na yun. Ang laki. I think we
Pwede
were in
pala
the same branch.
magpa-custom. Pwede pala magpa-custom fortune
Oo.
cookie dyan.
I think we were in the same branch. I think we were in the same branch. Kaya ano.
Just hours apart.
Oo, kaya ang laki ng
Oh
mga
my
fortune
God,
cookie natin that
you're a
day.
hater, bro. But oh my God, I'm banking on RJ Barrientos. I understand he'll be a liability on defense, but I'm banking on him.
The offense.
Outweighing his him being a liability on defense by exploding on offense. He has the capability. He's been on a hot stretch, man. He had
He's been
a
playing
lot
well.
of
He's been
points
playing well.
tonight. Yeah. Um. The problem is he can't play zone, diba? He can't hide RJ by playing zone because you'll be burned alive with those shooters. But I'm banking on him having a good 2 game stretch against Converge. And when the playoffs come, brother, Scotty becomes a different kind of animal. So
I understand.
whatever we saw in the regular season, it's like LeBron during the first few games of the regular season, pacing and then getting better as the season goes on. So heart over mind, brother, heart over mind. Believe the fortune cookie. That before the new year, our team is still alive, but I don't feel very confident about that. I really, really am not. It's just pure fate. Eyes closed, picking Ginebra to win into. But I'm really sorry, boss Jacob. If you ever see me in the Coliseum,
We'll
please
see
don't.
we'll see him on ano on
If we watch
on
on Christmas Day,
yeah, if we watch on Thursday if he's so
are
kind.
you watching on Christmas Day? We're not
No, there's
recording on Christmas Day.
I,
no
This is
way that
probably, by the way, guys, this is genuinely probably the last time we're gonna be talking about Ginebra this year, right?
Oo nga pala. This is the last.
You're not
Kasi
wrong.
matatanggal after Wednesday.
You're not wrong. That
But,
sucks. That sucks. I
it,
didn't
it,
realize
it,
that.
it hurts. It hurts, but
It
it's
hurts.
fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Fortune cookie. Fortune cookie.
May bago kang fortune cookie?
Grabe yung delay.
Laki ng fortune cookie na yan.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Guys, let us know what you think about the PBA quarterfinals, who you think would advance to the semifinals. Let us know in the comments. Follow 5-star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-month pod here with Nico, Mario, and Graham. See you all next time.
Adios, amigos. Heart over mind.